Welcome everybody. Today is day 18 and we are studying the root chakra, Muladhara chakra. Today the puppies are a bit wild. We're going to do a slow, quick, beautiful practice and you're going to have an amazing awakening in your root. So let's start in a seated position. Today we're going to sit in bound angle, Baddha Konasana. So sit with your feet together, and this is where we begin our butterfly pose. There's a good chance this won't work at all, but we'll give it a try. Finn. Anyways, today is about Muladhara root chakra. No. Stop and sit. And the root chakra is located at the base of the spine. You come here and place. So I thought it would be fun to try and do this class with the two kids wired up, but it's going to prove to not work. Anyways, root chakra is all about connection to the earth. I want you to think about being a tree and literally having your roots into the ground, growing in all directions, and keeping you rooted and grounded and supported. When you think of the fire, the color red, that's a beautiful color as well. No? No! Anyways, is this the stupidest thing you've ever seen? In? No. Come over here and lie down. That's enough. No, you too. All right. Root chakra. How much am I going to talk about this? This is going to be the bloopers class. Puka place? So root chakra is located at the base of the spine. It's associated with the color red, even brown, like the beautiful, rich earth. And I think of Kauai, where this little monster came from. I'm just joking, he's an angel. Place. No biting. Owie! Little spray bottle upstairs, of course I forgot it. Anyways, dragon oracle cards, because we have a dragon here. Hey, come. Today we're not fighting. Sit. There you hear his voice, little asshole. Today's supposed to be this cool root chakra class. It's all about getting rooted and grounded. So hopefully you can just watch me and think, oh my God, thank God we don't have a puppy right now. Maybe you're stuck with a baby. Just joking. Sit. Lie down. So fault of Nicole, I forgot to bring him his chewy toy. Finn, come here. But then if I bring his, then I have to make sure it's the one that she doesn't like. I know. Owie! So root chakra, Muladhara chakra, is all about the base of the spine. Sit, please. Sit. Lie down. And it is also associated with the color red from the visible light spectrum, the colors on the rainbow. So red is at the root or the base. No. Sit. Lie down. This is going to go in the bloopers episode. Sit. And I wanted to pick a dragon card for us because we've got these live dragons here right now. Pure white dragon from Orion. I feel like he's more like a tiger dragon from Mars or Hades. All right, so come over here please, Finn. What's really good is I'm supposed to teach live in like 10 minutes, so I can get all these piss and vinegars out of their body. No, stop. And then we can make our way into our live class. Finn, stop, lie down, sit, lie down, down. When I go to play day 18 on YouTube, I'll be like, what the F was that? So I'm wearing my Ganga Giri t-shirt. One of my bestest friends married this amazing musician from Australia. One of my bestest friends married another person who became a beautiful friend. Owie! And Ganga Giri, of course, took my beautiful friend to Australia, but what he did in the meantime is he played a concert in Victoria, and when he played the didgeridoo, my root chakra opened. I know that sounds weird. I felt deep connection to the earth, extreme deep connection to the earth. So the next song is Nature Spirit by Ganga Giri. I'm gonna have to ask him for permission to play this song, and I thought we could just have a listen. Today is just about feeling the base of your tree. Oh, I can feel it already.